A new recipe, my crunchy seed and nut cookies. They taste delicious. No refined sugar. They're made with honey, only a little bit, and nuts and seeds. So if you'd like to see how to make this new recipe, come with me and let's see. Into my large bowl, I'm adding 1 cup or 85 grams of coconut. That's desiccated coconut. Half a cup of pumpkin seeds. Half a cup of sunflower seeds. Half a cup of sesame seeds. Half a cup of ground almonds. And half a cup of chopped walnuts. Into that I'm going to add 1 egg white and 2 tablespoons of honey. You can use maple syrup, date syrup, or your preferred sweetener. And we're just going to mix that all together. It's quite warm here today, so I'm going to chill this for 30 minutes in the fridge. Hey Siri, set a timer for 30 minutes. I've had my oven preheating at 160 with a fan. Use 180 without a fan, and I'm going to bake these for about 15 to 20 minutes. I want to do them until they're golden and crunchy. So my first tray has cooled down, and look how good they look. I'm just going to crunch into one. This is a really nice snack. They're not too sweet, full of jam-packed of healthy goodness. A little tip, once you've baked them, leave them cool on the tray for at least 10 minutes to 20 minutes until they cool down, and then you can transfer them to a wire rack. If you find them not too sweet, my husband will probably complain because they're not too sweet, you can add more honey. If you want to make them vegan, don't put that egg white in, just put maple syrup in or your preferred liquid sweetener, but maybe add a little bit more. Hope you've enjoyed this crunchy, delicious seed and nut cookie today. Hit the thumbs up, share it with a friend, subscribe, and pop a donation if you'd like to support my channel and help me keep making more videos and new recipes for you. Thanks for watching. Bye. Yum, yum, yum.